7 Amazing Benefits of Coconut Oil and How to Use It. Coconut oil is a household staple in many places, especially in tropical regions where coconuts are abundant. But beyond cooking, this natural oil has several surprising benefits for your health, skin, and even daily life. Let's talk about 7 amazing benefits of coconut oil and how you can use it. 1. Aids in weight loss. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are quickly used by the body for energy instead of being stored as fat. Some studies suggest that MCTs can slightly boost metabolism, helping with weight management. How to use it: add 1 to 2 teaspoons of coconut oil to your meals. Use it for frying or sautéing instead of regular vegetable oil. Mix it into your coffee or tea for an energy boost. 2. Kills harmful bacteria and fungi. Coconut oil has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, which can help protect against infections. How to use it: apply directly to minor wounds or skin irritations to help prevent infection. Take a teaspoon daily for internal benefits. Use it as a natural remedy for skin conditions like athlete's foot or mild rashes. 3. Natural moisturizer for skin and hair. Coconut oil is an excellent natural moisturizer that helps keep skin soft and hydrated. It also protects against dryness and damage, making it a great alternative to chemical-based lotions. How to use it: for skin, apply a thin layer after showering to lock in moisture. For hair, use it as a deep conditioner, massage it into your scalp and leave it for 30 minutes before washing. For chapped lips, dab a little coconut oil to prevent dryness. 4. Improves oral health, oil pulling. Coconut oil is great for oil pulling, an ancient practice that removes bacteria and improves oral hygiene. It helps freshen breath and can reduce plaque buildup. How to use it: take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and swish it in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes before spitting it out. Do this a few times a week for cleaner, healthier teeth and gums. 5. Natural lubricant. Coconut oil is a safe, chemical-free option for lubrication. It provides long-lasting moisture and is free from artificial additives. How to use it: apply a small amount of coconut oil as a natural lubricant. Note: avoid using it with latex condoms, as oils can weaken the material. 6. Supports heart health. While coconut oil contains saturated fat, it may help increase good cholesterol, HDL, when used in moderation. This can contribute to a better balance of fats in the body. How to use it: use coconut oil in small amounts when cooking. Add it to soups or stews for a natural flavor boost. Balance it with other healthy fats like fish, nuts, and vegetables. 7. Fights inflammation and soothes joint pain. Coconut oil contains natural anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce swelling and discomfort in the body. How to use it: massage warm coconut oil onto sore joints or muscles. Add a teaspoon to your daily meals to help fight inflammation from the inside. Coconut oil is a natural and versatile product that you can make at home if you have fresh coconuts, or buy from stores if you don't. It's great for cooking, skin and hair care, and has various health benefits, making it a useful addition to your daily routine. Have you tried using coconut oil in any of these ways? Share your experience in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more interesting videos.